Salut, Semne Cusute! After so many embroidery workshops created over the years, hosting a lace-making workshop for the first time was a joy and a truly rewarding experience. The anticipation of welcoming the participants was a bit electric. We were super excited to see everyone arrive earlier, and we all got comfy and prepared. Once we all settled in, I embarked on a journey through the history of lace, from its ancient origins to its fabulous modern flair. The blend of historical facts and fun stories created a captivating atmosphere, and everyone was hooked. The highlight of the workshop was, no doubt, the hands-on experience. Together, we took the path of needle lace step by step, knot by knot. Romanian, Armenian, Turkish, and Greek. We started with basic functional stitches and gradually progressed to more intricate steps. It was heartwarming to witness the excitement and enthusiasm of the participants as they discovered something new, so simple and so pretty and so useful. Then it was the time to get our hands really busy. As we progressed to more fancy patterns, everyone was amazed at what the needle lace can create. It was so cool to see how quickly people picked up the skills, especially those who were already into embroidery. They demonstrated a natural aptitude for learning lace making. This highlighted the fact that textile crafts are interconnected. The energy and the spirit among participants was inspiring, as they shared tips, offered support, and encouraged each other. The workshop was like a vibrant tapestry of people, showcasing the unique style and skill of everyone involved. The creative vibe is contagious. Nobody was left behind. I was so happy when the beginners who were new to needlework said that they want to practice more at home. I was hoping for this, and I was prepared to offer extra materials and guidance. Maria, our expert in Romanian bibiluri, was with us all the time, offering additional support to ensure that everyone felt included and empowered to continue the craft. All participants realized that this can be not just a beautiful, but very practical and useful skill. As usual, the workshop provided a great educational experience and also created a sense of community among the participants. We met people engaged in responsible fashion through other textile fields and skills, and we hope that stronger ties will form. Recycle, upcycle, knitting can all benefit using ancient forms of needlelace. As facilitators, it was incredibly rewarding to witness the curiosity and excitement of the participants being together. A workshop like this is not just about learning. It is a magical opportunity to reinforce a community. The bonds formed and the knowledge exchanged will stick with the participants. Overall, it was a success. Our first needle-lace workshop was an important experience. The participants' enthusiasm, the collaborative vibe, and the opportunity to share the passion for needlework made it a truly memorable event. The workshop served as another testament to the power of shared knowledge, creativity, and community. We had a lot of laughs, learned new skills, and made nice memories. We can't wait to do it again. As additional insights to consider our future events might be the following. We must reflect on the challenges encountered during the workshop and how to overcome them in the future. We must be prepared for people who are left-handed, and we shall prepare the length of the yarns used. Some of the participants suggested that they would have liked the workshop to be longer, because time flew. For sure, we will consider all this for our next workshops. No matter how much experience you think you have in working with beginners, it's always place for learning and improving. Despite the fact that all the techniques were already available on YouTube as video tutorials, there are always persons who motivate themselves better to learn with personal guidance and together with others. A very important aspect is to prepare a structure of what, why, and how is a skill useful, so that the participants understand the benefits and dedicate to learning, not just through mimetism, but through method. In our enthusiasm regarding the use of latest technologies for sharing and learning, we must not forget and underestimate the human intelligence, emotions, and empathy. We'll continue to prepare materials for you to learn from wherever you are, from distance. Please follow our Instagram and our newsletter, and if you can, take the chance to meet in person. See you soon.